do you balance your responsibilities at work and home as a parent?
I balance my responsibility by managing my time and setting priorities. I plan my schedule. I can fulfill my duties at work while still making time for my family. I also communicate with my employer and family to ensure support and understanding when responsibilities overlap.
Next question. What tasks or roles do people expect you to fulfill because of your gender?
People often speak certain roles based on gender, such as being the main caregiver at home or the primary provider at work. These expectations sometimes influence how others view my responsibilities, even through pretending a household duties should be shared regardless of gender.
Have you ever felt judged or treated differently as a parent based on whether you are a father?
Yes, there are times when I feel judged because of my gender. Some people assume I am either less involved or overly responsible as a parent. These judgments can be unfair and do not reflect the effort and commitment I give to both and family.
In what ways has gender affected the division of household chores or childcare in your family?
Gender has influenced expectations about who should handle certain chores and childcare tasks. However, in our family, we try to divide responsibilities equally based on availability and ability rather than traditional gender laws.
What challenges do you face that you think are connected to gender expectations about parenting?
One major challenge is meeting societal expectation while trying to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Gender stereotypes can create pressure and misunderstandings, making it harder to recognize equally as a capable and responsible parent.
So, before nito, Sultan, pwede ba ka magpaila ka rin
Sige. Ako si Floyd Vincent Baslot, 18 years old, high school student, and nakatira ko sa Uwak Bilal Then kanang like nako is magplay og volleyball, then kanang cooking ana.
What gender-related expectation do you feel from your family, school, or friends?
Um, Nag-expect akong pamilya nga ana sila adunay anak na lalaki pero tuod ay kay nay pagka girly ana.
Are there activities, behaviors, or interests you feel pressure to avoid or follow because of your gender?
I would say no because everything can do anything.
Uh, have you ever been teased or judged for doing something considered not for your gender?
Always ko judge because sa akong pananamit o nilihukan o kanang sa akong dating bitaw nga kung nga ako sa public.
How do gender expectations affect the way you express yourself?
Kanang gibuhat nako ang tanan para lang makita nila nga proud sila nako pero ilang nakita katong mali nga nabuhat nako.
What changes do you wish to see in how society treats teenager based on your gender?
Maistorya na nako is kanang unta masabtan po nila ang new generation nga unta di man pud lisod dawaton nga kung unsa ko o unsa pud sila.
Unsa imong message sa ubang kabataan nga nag-face na sila og gender pressure karon?
Masay nako is kanang be true yourself and be kind kay kung bisan gidown ka sa mga tawo at least gipakita nimo ang angay nga insakto nga buhaton.
Thank you.
What were the common gender rules or expectation when you were younger?
Kasagaran sa mga babae sa una, diha na sa bahay nabilin, maglilinis ng bahay, magluluto ng pagkain sa pamilya, maglalaba. Mga laki, doon adto pod magtabang sa ilahang papa sa pag-umas sa basak.
How did this expectation influence what men and women were supposed to do in your time?
Ang mga babae, ang buhat gyud sa mga babae sa unang panahon naranas balay para magtabang sa trabahon sa balay, pagbigamo, paglaba, pagluto. Ang mga laki pod mura jud sila kusgan jud sila kaadyo kay sila ra may ilang hunahuna sila kung makahimo sila sa bugat nga buluhaton. Ang mga budget kay di man jud kahimo bugat nga buluhaton. Powerful jamo ang mga laki sa una.
What major changes in gender roles have you observed today compared to the past?
Ang panahon na naobserbahan na ho ang mga buluhaton sa babae ug buluhaton sa lalaki makaya na trabahoon. Makaya na sa mga babae ang trabahon sa lalaki. Ang trabahon sa lalaki kaya pod trabahoon sa babae.
Which changes do you agree with and which are difficult for you to accept or understand?
Sa una, dili nila ipakita og unsa sila. Karon, bulgar na jud sila og bayot og dili. Musayaw sila naatanan. Di na nila ikauwaw og unsay ilang naa nila.
What advice would you give young people today about gender roles and respecting differences?
Ang advice na ho karon sa mga kabatanunan, parang respetaray ta. Respitar ta sa tagsa nato. Labi na sa mga bayot, respetaran ko na nato kay mao maganda na sila.
Okay, the final reflection is across the three stories, a common pattern was how gender expectation influenced people's choices, opportunities, and treatment. I gained a new perspective on how deeply gender roles are embedded in every situations, often in a ways we do not immediately notice. Society shapes our experience by setting norms and stereotypes that can limit confidence, freedom, and fairness based on gender. To promote gender equity, society should challenge stereotypes, ensure equal opportunities, and encourage respect and understanding for all genders. This conversation made me more aware of my own assumptions and helped me reflect on how I can be more open minded and fair in my views. And that's all.